Vanakkam. Neenga nalla irukenukanu nambureen. Yes, you have guessed it right. Today I am making curd rice or Thayir Sadam as it is called in Tamil. It is believed to have originated in Tamil Nadu during or after the Vedic period. While Tamil Nadu is most closely associated with this dish, it is widely consumed and loved in other South Indian states like Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. It is more than a dish, it is a regional identity, a comfort food, and a cooling digestive meal with deep cultural and spiritual roots. So let's get started. In a dash of oil, put mustard seeds, let them pop, that's all it needs. Add curry leaves and green chilies too. Urad dal, chana dal, just a few. Chopped onion goes in, let it fry. Not too long, just till it's dry. Now mix the boiled rice in that, soft and warm, just like that. Garnish with coriander, fresh and fine, and pomegranate on top to shine. And as we call it in Tamil, Vunavai Anupavikuvum. Enjoy the dish.